I didn't do it! Please, you have to believe me. This is like a real spy movie right now.
Nobody move! Everyone must stay exactly where you are.
Hey, watch out!
Sorry, kid.
This museum is now under a full security lockdown. We must search every single bag in this room. Young man, I need to check your backpack too.
Wait, there's something else down at the very bottom.
This is the missing diamond.
That's definitely not ours. We've never seen it before.
That's not mine! I promise I never took it. I didn't do it! Please, you have to believe me.
There has been a serious mistake. My son is innocent.
Sir, the evidence was found inside his own bag.
Look how big this museum is! I'm filming everything. Look at all these amazing statues! This place is incredible!
Keep your bag closed, Tom. It's really crowded today.
I'll close it later, Dad. I promise I will. Oops, sorry, I wasn't looking where I was going.
Look at all the people around this diamond.
That diamond is absolutely, look at it shine.
I need a closer shot for my video today.
Tom, your backpack is open.
Stay close to me, please, sweetheart. It's very crowded.
Excuse me, sir. I need to clean through here. That's strange. The lights just flickered twice already.
Mom, why did all the lights go out?
Whoa! Do you hear that alarm? This is intense!
Everyone stay calm. The emergency lights are on now.
Stay close to me right now. Something is wrong.
Nobody move! Everyone must stay exactly where you are. I need everyone to remain calm and stay seated. This museum is now under a full security lockdown.
This is frightening. I hope they find who did this.
This is like a real spy movie right now. Hey, watch out!
Sorry, kid.
Whoa, that guy bumped into me really hard.
Sorry about that, kid. I wasn't watching closely.
Mom, that cleaner is walking really fast away. Wait, his hand was right by Tom's bag.
We must search every single bag in this room. Please open your bags for a quick inspection now.
Of course, officer. We have nothing to hide here.
We didn't do anything wrong. Go ahead and check.
Young man, I need to check your backpack too. Open your backpack, son. This will only take moments.
That's just my comic book. And my old jacket.
Wait, there's something else down at the very bottom.
What is that? I've never seen that pouch before. That's definitely not ours. We've never seen it before.
Let's see exactly what is hiding inside this pouch. This is the missing diamond.
It was in his bag.
That's not mine! I promise I never took it. I didn't do it! Please, you have to believe me.
There has been a serious mistake. My son is innocent.
Sir, the evidence was found inside his own bag.
Where exactly are you taking my son right now?
This room feels so cold and completely frightening.
We are not leaving our son alone in here.
Mom, I'm really scared. What's gonna happen now?
Please, somebody has to believe that I'm innocent.
This diamond is now official evidence against you, Tom. Why did you steal it? Just tell me the truth.
I was only making videos. I never touched that diamond.
My son is innocent. I know him better than anyone.
The evidence was found inside his bag, sir. Call the main police station. We need them here now.
Wait, I remember that cleaner bumping into Tom earlier. Excuse me, officer. I saw something really important happen.
Not now, little one. I'm speaking with your father.
Dad, please listen. It was the cleaner, not Tom.
Not now, Lily. I need to focus on your brother. I am the museum director. What exactly happened here?
Sir, please. I need to tell you something important. The cleaner put it in his bag. I saw it.
That's a very serious claim for a young child. Quiet, little girl. The adults are talking right now.
Why won't anyone listen to what I'm saying?
That siren means the transport car has finally arrived. The transport car is here. It's time to go.
You cannot take my son! He has done nothing!
Please don't take me away. I didn't do this.
Tom was filming everything the whole entire time.
You cannot take an innocent child away like this!
Tom, I need to borrow your phone right now.
I can't stop crying. Everything feels completely hopeless right now.
Come on, phone. Please show me what happened. This is the last video Tom recorded today. The camera is spinning everywhere. I need to pause it. I can see something moving in that reflection clearly. Look, you can see his hand right there clearly. That's the cleaner's hand near Tom's open backpack. He's dropping something small right into Tom's bag. My heart is beating so fast right now. I need everyone in this room to hear this. Look at this video! Everyone needs to see this now.
Lily, what on earth are you doing right now?
What is it, young lady? What do you have?
Watch this video. It shows exactly what really happened. Watch the mirror in the background very closely, please.
I can see him dropping something into that backpack. He framed the boy. This poor child is innocent. Everyone listen carefully. We have a serious situation now. Stop the cleaner at the back exit immediately, please! Oh my God! We caught him trying to escape through the back door.
I can't believe he really tried to frame my son.
I am so sorry I didn't believe your story, Tom.
It's okay. I'm just glad the truth finally came out.
I sincerely apologize for how we treated your family today. I am so proud of you, my brave boy.
You are the bravest little girl I have ever known.
You saved me, Lily. I will never forget this.
I just paid close attention. That's all I did. That's all I did.
Let's go home now. We are all safe together.
Your voice might feel small, but truth is powerful.
If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe and comment below.
We truly read every comment